Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of a picture or a thing in a picture in Photoshop. I created project in Photoshop. In this picture I wanna change the color of the plant or fish. Okay. Click on adjustments. If you can't see that, go to window and click on adjustment. Okay, in adjustment go to hue and tab open for you. In here you can change the color of the picture with dragging the flasher. You can see it will be change the color. It's on master. If I want to change the red color, you can click on red and change the hue. You can see it's just the red color will be changed, or don't know, yellow, and you can see just the yellow colors will be changed. It's on fish, or greens, the color of the planets will be changed. You can see it's now blue or now yellow. Okay, I click on okay, I click on master. There is another tool, it's saturation. If you change it, the base of the colors will be changed. I don't know, it's like the contrast. If I change, you can see it's the color of the base of the color will be changed. In this step you can see lightness. The lightness will be change the darker or lighter. If it's positive, it will be lighter, or if it's negative, it will be darker. It's finished. Okay, but if we want to change the color of a part of a picture, what should we do? Okay, let me show you in another picture. I create another picture. This picture, I just want to change the color of his coat. Okay, choose the object selection tool and choose lasso tool. I select around his coat with the lasso tool. Okay, I want to remove some parts of selection with quick selection tool. You can choose quick selection tool, and you can remove some parts of selection. Okay, now now click on this and go to solid color. You can choose a color. I think it's good. Click on OK. Okay. You should change the base of the color. tried all the base. It's this hard light or soft light in this picture. It's good, but I want to choose hue. Hue is better of all, I think. I choose hue. I do this works for another sleeve again.
A few moments later.
Okay. Again, click on that and click on solid color. And for choose that color, go to this layer and copy it, the code of the color and paste here. And again choose that space. Okay, it's finished. Bye guys.